How to set up iOS 18's new dynamic color-changing wallpaper. In this video, we'll show you how to set up iOS 18's exciting new dynamic color-changing wallpaper. Starting off, we introduce you to this innovative feature that comes with iOS 18. Unlike static wallpapers, this dynamic wallpaper gradually adjusts its colors throughout the day, giving your iPhone a fresh look every time you check it. Tired of your current wallpaper? With just a few taps, you can bring this feature to life on your device. To set it up, tap and hold on your lock screen to access the customization options. Swipe sideways to create a new lock screen and press the plus button. Once in the wallpaper gallery, select the iOS 18 option. You can swipe through the available colors, yellow, blue, and of course the dynamic version, which is what we'll focus on. This dynamic wallpaper shifts colors beautifully over time, and we demonstrate how it gently transitions, giving your phone a constantly changing yet subtle background. The color change happens gradually over a 24-hour cycle, so it won't be a rapid shift. But every time you look at your phone, it'll look slightly different, keeping things visually appealing and fresh. For more tips and tricks on iOS 18, we encourage viewers to check out the other videos on our channel. With just a few simple steps, you can set up this new dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone, ensuring that your device looks beautiful and unique all day long. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iOS 18 tips and tricks.